So this is the basement rental in Shelly, and we're gonna fix it again after the renter leave, and it's so messy. So right now we are removing this carpet. It's a little bit hard, but we're getting there. And we are planning to put a tile on this area up to this one. We're gonna change it, but we're not gonna put a tile in here because this one is like unlevel, so it's a little bit dangerous to put a tile. They might slip, so we're just gonna leave that piece of carpet even though it looks ugly, but we'll see. So there's John putting away the stove for a bit, and remove half of the carpet already. And look at it, it's so ooey. Trash is still there under the stove. And look at that, got molds.
It won't fit.
Wow, that is good. I removed one square hole.
Oh, nice. You're the best.
Starting to put the tiles in this corner. So there's John putting the mud on the floor so we can put up the tile. So here we are again. We're gonna lift these tiles. There are 18 boxes of tiles going down on the steps, Sean. And it's hard, it's heavy. Lalabas yung matris ko, kakabuha. Ayan, natanggal na namin yung vinyl na nakalagay dito. Yung carpet na hindi na namin papalitan. And then, yan, later on, magpipintura. So, dito, nalagay na namin yung, mostly yung tiles. Sa gilid na lang. Tas dito banda, kailangan namin yung maliliit na tiles kasi hindi siya level. So, mahirap, gamitin yung square na tiles. Oh, kailangan ng pintura, yung mga walls kasi may mga scribble siya ng mga bata. Like dito. Ayan, yung mga sulat-sulat. Dugyot ulit. John putting the toilet ring. He's proposing to
Proposing on his knees, right?
yeah. He's proposing on the toilet. He put a ring on it. That's the ring. So, lagay ng tornilyo dun sa gilid para doon ilalagay yung toilet bowl. So, ito yung standard wax ring. So, nilalagay ito dito sa toilet bowl para hindi siya mag-leak. So, ayan. At least, brand new na yung toilet bowl dito. Kasi binasag nila yung top. Tapos, napaka-yaki na nung itsura. Ayan. Nakabit na namin. And let's see. Good job, honey bun.
Good job, honey bun. You.
So, my Johnny boy is getting tired because those little pieces, it's hard to cut and then measure them so they are, like close to fit in. This one we need to like get us tiny pieces to put in there. It's really complicated, but we're getting there. He's doing a good job. So right now, since we're done tiling, we are going to put the grout, and the grout that we are using is coffee bean. So dark siya, para siyang dark chocolate. And then lalagyan natin yung mga gap na yan.